Okay, yeah. All right. So Ashaben,
कल
if you
अम्मा जी
want,
ने बहुत ही अच्छा गाया भजन,
कौन?
बहुत अच्छा। अम्मा जी ने कल भजन गाया था ना,
हाँ,
मैंने
वो अच्छा लगा, या
एकदम टॉप था।
That's a
फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने सुना।
हाँ, that's a Marathi.
हाँ, पर
It's a
एकदम
Marathi
फाइन।
film. गणेश जी का भजन, या.
हाँ, अब मैंने तो मिस करा, कब गाया था ये? कौन से
कल
इसमें?
आरती में।
RPM में.
अच्छा।
Okay, so I missed it yesterday.
So it's there in the YouTube. Is there? This is
Okay.
RPM live. Yeah. Okay. So Ashaben, if you want to go ahead and start, yeah. Make sure everyone you have your original sound on, and please mute yourself until your turn. Yeah.
Can you hear? जय जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला, तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा, था कभी नहीं मेरा। अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या, जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका, मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा। नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है भुजाओं में, वस्त्र बांधे छाल का है खड़ा पाँव में। प्यास क्या हो तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में। दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया, मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं, तूने सिर्फ है दिया। समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा, द्वंद दोनों लोक में विषामत पे था छिड़ा। अमृत सभी में बांट के प्याला विष का तूने खुद पिया। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकर। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा।
Shaman, okay.
Did mistakes initially. You know, the starting was not
Yeah,
right.
yeah. You waited a bit little longer.
Yeah.
But the good thing is you did catch up within the first 3-4 lines. You got up before the Namo Namo Ji Shankara. I was waiting, okay, are you going to wait till the Namo Namo Ji Shankara starts and you continue to sing?
Yeah.
But you did the fast up. Yeah, so that is the price here to pay when you miss the time, right? But that's okay. You know, you realized it, so that means you can correct it. So once you realize a mistake, it's easy to correct because then you know where the mistake is occurring.
That's right.
We have exactly 2 weeks from today, right? I mean, today is 12th, and then 2 Thursdays from today we're doing. What I would do is, because you obviously know the words and everything, I think you have to. The thing that I would think you should fix is the tune.
Okay.
Okay, so मैं बोलता हूँ कि 3-4 लाइन एट अ टाइम
वही
प्रैक्टिस.
मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि
प्लीज
पूरा नहीं कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा ही कर रही हूँ। हाँ,
या
फिर
जस्ट
भी
डू 2 lines. Jai ho Shankara. But that's it. That one line. You have to get it right. Think that you should get it right. There is no. मैं आज जो भेजा ना ये संगीत शाला में वो छोटा बच्चा जो है
बच्चा, हाँ,
उसका father doesn't leave. He's back in the same line. He keeps on doing it until the child does it. But just amazing that the child is able to do it. So that's what I would suggest, because I mean it is just an example, but the point is that it is very important to not go forward. जैसा वो बच्चे के साथ नहीं, he wanted to make sure that the child is before the next line starts. So
Yes.
so that's very important. So please do that, because you are able to generally hang on to the song throughout. So वो तो no matter how many ever times you sing, that is not going to change. But the question is, how do you fix it to
Fix it,
sound
yeah.
like the original one? I mean, that is the point. And the way to do that is just a small piece at a time. Because as you keep cracking small lines, the next lines will become easier to crack. And the following lines will become even easier to crack. So the initial line you'll take the most time. The initial 6-8 lines you will take the most time, and the remaining lines will become fast because you already got the grip of the tune. But if you don't get the grip of the tune, continuously it will be off. So that is the only thing I would say. Overall, you're good. So don't worry about it. But I'm trying to see in next 2 weeks what we can do to make sound even better.
Better,
Right? So that is the only thing. Okay?
yeah.
All right?
Definitely.
Good.
Thank you.
Enjoy the thing with the thing. थोड़ा
Yes.
गाना वाना करके उनको थोड़ा
हाँ.
उनको थोड़ा clean bold करो.
That's right. Yeah, that's only I want to do it. Yeah.
Like Awarao and those kind of songs which you are good at. So
Yeah. बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज
हाँ,
दिल.
बदतमीज दिल, वो तो बेहोश हो जाएंगे. What? Which song you picked?
No,
No.
it is funny. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you,
No
Rambhai.
problem. Okay, Aisha. Okay. All right, Jyotiben, you want to sing today first? Yeah, sure.
thank
For a
you.
change, Chandaben is like sitting quiet and then everybody wants to go first.
भाई थोड़ा आज मैंने सेटिंग है ना थोड़ा चेंज किया है तो
हाँ.
आप देख
Oh, sure, sure, sure. तो
I
आपका
need
भी
to go
अलग
as well. Rambai, I need to go as well.
Okay, okay. So you
But
want to go
it's
next?
okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
ओके श्री राम श्री राम श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्चारुणम् श्रीराम कंदर्पगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुन्दरं पटपीतमानव कलित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीराम भज दीनबन्धु दिनेश गाणा दैत्यवंशनिकन्दनं रघुनन्दानन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द्र दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीराम सिर मुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्ग विभूषणम् अजानुकुच सर चापधर सङ्ग्रामजित कर दूषणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसी दास शङ्कर शेष मुनि मन रञ्जन मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादि कलदल गञ्जनं श्रीराम
Yeah, yeah, Jyotiben, your system is sounding much better now for sure from yesterday. So it's all not better, meaning is good. So there nothing needs to be done. I think you're good. The only thing I feel is you obviously know this song and you're able to sing the song. The मेरे को एक ही लग रहा है कि आपको वो एक karaoke used to नहीं हुआ है. ये जो karaoke है, you have to get used to the beats of the karaoke, more specifically the beat, the
घंटे
उसका जो ताल जो है ना, जस्ट ट्राई उसमें एक एक वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
बेल बेल घंटी.
बेल. हाँ, मेक श्योर यू यूज द बेल. यू नो,
That's what
गिव
my
मी.
daughter told me just now.
Yeah. Chandan man, just give me 1 second, because I think let me try to do that part of it. Just listen to this very carefully. No, no, you just please stop it.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I can't close it. हाँ.
Okay, just listen to this carefully when I'm singing. Okay, I will do only 2 lines or something, and then we'll let Chandan man go. Just listen to the Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Harana Bhava Bhayata. So actually मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि यूज दैट बीट को एकदम सही तरह से यूज करना, सो दैट यू फॉल, the words fall right at the boundary of the beats, not before, not later. And since you know the song, my suggestion is don't sing now. Just मन के अंदर देखो कि कहाँ, मन के अंदर गाना कि ये गाना स्टार्ट इधर होना चाहिए, बीट इधर होना चाहिए, वर्ड बाय वर्ड ड्रॉप होना चाहिए, and then use your hand to put the beat exact, no less, not before, not later, exact. वो करना, उसके बाद गाओ, and use your hand at that time, it will be perfect. Okay, but the song you already got it, so so the song will be fine. You will have less thing. Your pitch will be correct because like all the thing will get solved. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, Chandan man, you want to go, right? Yeah.
राज की बात है महफिल में कहे या न कहे, बस गया है कोई इस दिल में, कहे या न कहे, कहे या न कहे, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, हो निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो झा लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो झा लुटाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है। वो तो हम जिसे इश्क कहती है दुनिया, इश्क कहती है दुनिया, कहती है दुनिया, वो तहमत जिसे इश्क कहती है दुनिया, वो तहमत उठाने को जी चाहता है, वो तहमत उठाने को जी चाहता है, वो तहमत उठाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है। किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, लज्जत वो पाए, किसी के मनाने में लज्जत वो पाए, के फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, के फिर रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, मेरा रूठ जाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है। वो जलवा जो जल भी है सामने भी, वो जलवा जो जल भी है सामने भी है सामने, वो जलवा जो जल भी है सामने भी, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है। वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है। वो जिस कड़ी मेरी निगाहों की तेरी दीद हुई, वो घड़ी मेरे लिए इश्क की तमहीद हुई, जब कभी मैंने तेरा चांद सा चेहरा देखा, जब कभी मैंने तेरा चांद सा चेहरा देखा, ईद हो या कि न हो मेरे लिए ईद हुई, ईद हो या कि न हो मेरे लिए ईद हुई, वो जलवा जो जल भी है सामने भी, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है, वो जलवा चुराने को जी चाहता है। नीरे गा गर ग नीरे मा म ग म नीरे गा गर ग नी ग रे रे ग ग म म द नि सा सा नि नि द द प प ग रे सा नि द प म ग रे नी द प म ग रे सा नि रे ग। मुलाकात का कोई पैगाम दीजिए, छुप छुप के आने को जी चाहता है, और आके न जाने को जी चाहता है, और आके न जाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है।
Okay, Chandan man, you want to say something?
लिरिक्स में थोड़ा घोटाला हो गया था।
Correct. I know. Yeah. But the good thing was you nicely caught up. मतलब निगाहें मिला वो जब तक धन 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 वो तभी बराबर आपने वहां से फिर वो कैच कर दिया, बट वो 2-3 लाइन में आई थिंक यू मिस समवेयर, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
वेयर, बट
Yeah.
उसके बाद यू कुड नॉट कैच, आई मीन द कैचिंग बिकॉज दैट सॉन्ग इज सो फास्ट यू कैन कैच अप
Yeah.
दैट, इट्स टफ, बट वो 2-3 लाइन थोड़ा वो हो गया. and some couple of such small things, but every day is a different day. Until the song becomes smoothly like butter in your system,
Yeah.
it will, like for in Javdeep, you can just do it anytime. You don't need really much
Yeah.
preparation. You can go and do. But ये भी होगा वैसे. But it will take like those couple of weeks more to smoothen the rough
Yeah.
edges, right? Um, Actually, there is one area which I think there is no need to improve, but for some reason your mind, मैं बताया था ना आपको कि in the beginning में after the आलाप के बाद वाला जो निगाह मिलन, for some reason the way you're taking is different from the song, but it is working nicely for you. So I would say just leave it like that. Um,
I'll try the
yeah, because
until I
yeah,
get, I won't sleep. You don't know
because
how I am.
Chandraman, the interesting thing is when you're singing without the music, you're singing the correct way. And वो आलाप के बाद जब आप पिकअप करते हो, for some reason आपको maybe the आलाप is making you do like obviously the आलाप is making you do
वो तोहमत जो
हाँ
उसमें मुझे वो I am trying that one, but I am just not. It's just a small little alap there, but
yeah.
I can't get that still.
That is not bad, huh, by the way. It is pretty good only, but you will figure out. I mean, I'm sure
Yeah, no, I can do it on the harmonium. When I'm playing it on the harmonium, then I'm fine.
हाँ, but वो क्या होता है कि when the tabla and everything comes in together,
Yeah,
then you have got very less time, right? I mean, you have to execute in the small time.
because I play whole of the song on the harmonium.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? Actually, well, I'm not sure if you want to do that, but you can do it on the harmonium too. I mean, if you think that.
No.
But ये गाने का दम the
Yeah.
career में है because it has वो तबला वगैरह मजा नहीं आएगा उसमें. So yeah.
No.
And
I'm
Nutan.
trying my best. Even in my sleep, I'm doing it.
Yeah, I know. I mean, can you imagine how Nutan has acted?
Yeah,
Can you tell that Nutan is not singing? Think about it.
yeah. Doesn't look
Means
like she's not singing.
exactly. You can't believe that she's not singing. Just amazing. उसका expression of every word, उस लफ्ज का जो मीनिंग है, उसका मीनिंग उसके चेहरे पे है, एक्टिंग में है और उसके जबान पर भी है. और that song I've seen so many. I said, how is she doing it? I mean, this is even before the song has become famous, right? I mean, we are doing it after the song has become famous. So think about it. When they are shooting, the song was just somebody has composed it, and they are singing, and they have no idea. I mean, how the song is going to become famous or not. And we are doing it after the song has been heard like 100 times. So it's just
But
amazing.
I never thought I will be learning this song. I never thought I will learn it, but I have done it.
Yeah. No, it is a tough one. It is a tough one.
I give a challenge to everyone that yes, I will try and do it.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
It is a challenging for me.
Yeah.
Big challenge.
इसका start itself is challenging. The very start. The very
Yeah.
start का जो आलाप है ना.
But I like all the ad libs, and I like that sort of songs.
Oh yeah.
I love them.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Chalo. Okay. All right.
So I will leave now because I have
Yeah. I know.
to go to my bhajans.
Sure. Okay. Who wants to go next? Meenakshi. Okay. Champaben, is it okay if you go later or you want to go first?
I have to go.
Okay. Is it okay,
Okay,
Meenakshi? Yeah, Champaben, you go. I mean, she's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it's Chaturthi, right? So, I mean, if you want to attend, I fully understand.
पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहि नींद न आई। पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, मन मेरा उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। तरपत तरसत उम्र गवाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। भोर भी आस की किरण न लाई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहि नींद न आई। पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई।
Champa, when the song is becoming better and better for you, for sure. Now I know that it's finally you got that, control beat. अभी वो आपको खुद को ही लगता होगा. I mean, because I don't have to say this. You yourself must be feeling more
Yeah, yeah.
comfortable with the music.
Words are coming so smoothly.
So smoothly, correct. Because if your heart is racing to sing to the line, that means it is not good. You are not become smooth. The smooth is when you can comfortably sing without अपने आप आ जाएगा, and you are not hurrying कि अरे यार next line कभी आएगा, then that sort of a thing.
आराम से
Yeah, because you can do it. In the next 2 weeks, it will become really smooth. By the time you sing this, it will be much more smoother. Just make sure कि just promise yourself you will practice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Thank you,
And
Ram.
that's it. Yeah. Okay. Meenakshi, I think you wanted to go, right? Okay. Because I know that it is Chaturthi and everything, so in case you want to drop off and do your stuff, feel free to do. But on the other hand, if you want to stay and enjoy and give me company, please.
Yes.
Okay.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेसितकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि आशरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि राशरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ सतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित सुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपु गज गण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम सुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐरणदुर्मद शत्रुविदोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुरविचार दुरीण महाशिव दुतकृत प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवदूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शरणागत वैरी धूवर वीर वराभयदायक रे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधि शिरोधि कृतामल शूल करे दुमि दुमि तामर दुन्दुभिनाद महो मुकरि कृत डिम्म करे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Yeah, Meenakshi, this is good for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Music
Uh,
बराबर
yeah, everything is fine. I don't have any really suggestion. Tone, composing, words. I mean, I didn't listen to every word, but I think you should because recording. Sorry, the recording on it. So make sure you listen to the recording and check with the lyrics. Don't listen to the recording and say, "Oh, this is sounding correct." Sounding correct is different from word correct. So for word correctness, you have to listen to every word. So make sure to do that, and that's it. So I think you're good. I'm thinking कि इसके बाद before this Navratri maybe we can add 3 more, so we can go up to 9 or 10 or something like that. Okay, all right. Okay, who wants to go next? Ria, you want to go? Oh yeah. Same. Okay.
Yeah, I've chosen just to do Badtameez Dil now.
Badtameez Dil, awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. So in Badtameez Dil, I've told somebody else, I don't remember who, don't sing the electronic female version.
Electronic female version.
You know, that female version that for like 20-30 seconds,
Yeah.
that electronic female version, don't do that. You know, unless you are able to do it, you know, correctly, because you know it is not a female voice, and okay, you know what, you try to do the way you are doing, and then we'll figure out. You might be fine. I mean, for all you
Just
know.
a question.
Yeah.
You know the background setup we have to do on the show day,
Right.
because Nana wouldn't be here, he would be out of country. So I'll need to send the picture and stuff. So would you be able, do you have it with you?
Okay. I've not made it yet, but I'll make it. So when is he going?
I'm traveling on 17th,
17th.
but I will be in America.
He'll be in America, so that's the issue.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. Okay, so 17th मतलब Monday, Tuesday. You're living on Tuesday. Okay. I'll try to my mother is living on 15th, so kind of little busy, but I will try to make it by Sunday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's living only on so you have got yeah.
It's fine. Whenever you're free and you're able to just send it in the group.
Yeah.
So like
Yeah, sure. And I'm thinking basically we will use same thing as the last time, which is the Sangeet Shala,
yeah, okay.
because you know it is simple. It very clearly explains the Sangeet part of it, and it has the entire middle portion is open, and so that it doesn't block any words or anything like that. So it makes it. You know, let me check the old one. You know, like kahan par hai, and then I will send that to you, and I'll send it in the group. This way we all use it. So I'll send 2 of them. One to share with family and friends. The another one is the background. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll do that. Yeah, sure. So remember in Badtameez Dil, try to add energy.
Yeah. Right.
I know probably you're thinking, yeah.
कान में पूरी ना देखे नाक काना गिना देखे कितनी चमेली रुक चिकना कमी ना देखा चांद में चिटे रोक जीत की अच्छा तारे बोल गिली आता पापरा परा पापरा परा पापरा परा परा राता पापरा परा पापरा परा पापरा परा परा मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बात बुरी बात थाली में कटोरे लेके आलू भात पूरी बात मेरे पीछे किसी मेरी पीठ की अच्छा तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का पापरा परा पापरा परा पापरा परा परा पापरा परा पापरा परा पापरा परा परा मुझको चढ़ा है डर ना जाना अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है करके पहचानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है थम बस छोड़ना जानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना मानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जानना जानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना। हवा में हवा ने देखा ढीम का फलाना खा के शीन का सुखाड़ा खा के शेर का गुराना देगा पूरी दुनिया को गोल गोल चक्कर लेके मैंने दुनिया को मारा धक्का, पपरा परा पपरा परा पपरा परा परा परा। हे हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड वेरी वेरी जॉलीवुड राय के पहाड़ पर तीन कुत्ता ले मेरे पीछे किसी ने रिपीट किया साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुंह, अय्याशी के वन में से खुद को मोड़ना जानना, कंबल बेवजह ये शर्म का ओढ़ना जानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है खम वक्त छोड़ना जानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना मानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना। आज सारे चांद तारे बन गए हैं, डिस्को लाइट्स जल के हमको बुला के रहे हैं, पार्टी ऑल नाइट नाता बेदुखी जिंदगी से तोड़ना जानना, आने वाले कल की फिक्र से जोड़ना जानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है हम वक्त छोड़ना जानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना मानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना मन, ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जानना जानना, बदतमीज दिल मानना।
Woohoo! Nice, nice. Certainly your style has improved nicely. And I think in the next 2 weeks you would have added more energy into the thing, and that will help you in similar other songs. So this is good. Actually, even the electronic voice, you're doing it nicely. I mean, that part. क्या हो? आज सारे बन गए हैं डिस्को. That part also is coming out nice. And I was just messaging a little while ago to somebody who is singing. I made a medley for someone. So I was telling her that put yourself in that situation of the song. Think you're in the middle of a crowd, rowdy crowd, and singing your heart out. So this song is like that. And do that, it will come nicely.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, sing to that crowd, in your mind. It'll be nice. Yeah, but from a song singing perspective, you're just good. So, one question actually. So, you're not going to do the dialogue, right? Or you're going to do the dialogue?
If I can, then I'll try till next week.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah, do that. Because the only reason I'm saying is, even if you don't do it, at least do it for practice. The only thing is, the Badtamizi of the song starts from the dialogue. See, the statement, बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, एक ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे, so वो जो, if you have seen the song, right? I mean the filming of the song,
yeah.
right? Yeah. So everybody is quiet, and that mic starts, and then the dialogue starts, and everybody's their face turn around. So that Badtamizi thing starts from the dialogue. So when you do the dialogue, so automatically that kind of a thing will come in. So
If I can, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. All right, good. Well, so welcome back. Is Nana going to sing now?
Um,
Or no, he can do later. I'm just asking.
yeah, later.
Later? Okay. Okay, Vinod bhai. No problem. All right. Ranjan man, are you?
Okay.
Yeah, because you unmuted, so I assume that you want to.
Okay. All right, Rambai.
Okay. So you're going to do B, right?
No,
Tanpura
I'm not going to do B. I can't find that one right now. I'm going to do, until now I was doing sharp C, but now I'm going to do Tanpura scale C.
C.
Only.
Yeah,
I need
because the
to
one that I had
find,
sent you is C, not.
this is one is called the High Quality Studio Recorded Professional Sound.
Okay.
So let's see how it sound.
Yeah, do C. Yeah. Okay.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकर सुधारी वर्ण रघुबर विमल जसु जो दायक उपचारी बुद्धिहीन तन जानकी सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या द्यो मोहे हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोग उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बलिधाम अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संग कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडन कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंहम दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियारे श्री रघुवीर हरि सिर लाए रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस्र बदन तम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी कभी कही सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्हा राम मिलाए राजपद दिन्हा तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लियो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मही मुख माही जल दिलांद गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम तेज समारोह पे, तीन लोग हाकते कापे, भूत पिशाच से निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे, नास रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा, संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जुलावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे, चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असपर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारो भजन राम को भावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई, और देवता चेतन धरिए, हनुमत से ये सर्व सुख करिए, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमंत बलबीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई, ये सत बार पाठ कर जोई, चुटकी बंद महासुख होए, जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्ध साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेला, की जो नाथ हृदय में डेरा, पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुरभूप, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, हर हर महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
Okay. It is obviously nice. I mean, you're able to do it. Did you feel this better, same, or?
I think this is because I like it says high quality studio recorded, and it says professional sound. So I don't know what you think. Did you think this?
No, but
I think I enjoyed it singing. Yes,
yeah, because
I enjoyed it.
that's the thing. Because your mind will tell, yeah, I am, it is making me push myself up. Because if that is the case, then the
No,
same.
no, I was quite relaxed.
Okay. Yeah, because maybe what you can do is the same people ka B, if you try B, and if that B is good, I mean B, if you feel it's better with the same people, the same people ka, because they would have produced in all,
All the scale.
yeah, all the skills, yeah.
Yeah.
So you may want to try that because like I said in my sheet, I have got 48 people. कि 48 people का मैंने किया है, उसमें आपका नाम नहीं है वो.
नहीं है अच्छा।
So
नहीं,
इसीलिए
मुझे
मेरे को
थोड़ा थोड़ा याद है आपने बोला था स्केल सी
हाँ
बोला था लेकिन I didn't know.
रहेगा because if I go through all the messages maybe
Yeah.
I'll find it, but looks like you're in that range. I mean you are either C or B, because it can't be C sharp because C sharp will be
But my vocal sound is better with this
okay.
Tanpura, right?
The only thing I will say is keep the Tanpura ka sound away from the mic.
Okay, I mean low, little bit low कर दूं. On
Yeah, low भी या लो कर सकता है, like as long as you are still able to hear it nicely
Okay.
when you're singing.
All right.
Because क्या होता है कि when you sing, you may not be hearing,
Okay.
as much. So when you just play, you might be hearing loud, but as soon as you start singing, then you don't hear the sound of the tanpura. So, but it's important to hear the sound of the. So if you keep it away, you can still hear it, but microphone won't catch, because see, the way the microphone catches is whatever is nearby it catches, whatever is far it drops down a lot.
So are you telling me that is on my mobile phone? Okay, I should keep
Yeah,
it bit
you
away.
keep it little bit away. Yeah,
Okay.
keep it
Okay.
little bit away. And you can do the self test. उसका जो Zoom का self test है ना, if you are, oh, you're doing an iPad में नहीं कर सकता है, yeah. So
Me,
maybe
I
next
done.
week, yeah.
I done, Rambai. I done on from my iPad, my music on my iPad, and I done on my mobile phone. I recorded my song singing on. I recorded on my mobile because same music is in iPad, YouTube.
iPad also.
So
Okay.
so I put it on iPad and then
And
I
where is
record
your
my
lyrics?
mobile.
Lyrics कहाँ पर है? Lyrics, or is by heart for you?
Oh, lyrics is my here in my
किधर?
book. My book.
So then what you do
Actually, I
is,
know Hanuman Chalisa by heart, but I still keep
हाँ,
the book with me in case I go somewhere wrong.
okay. Okay, my suggestion is just keep the thing, because Monday we will test, because
Okay.
next Monday and Tuesday, so we have next Monday, Thursday, and then one more Monday we have. So we
Okay.
have got 3 more things, right? So we will test, maybe next week we'll start testing the audio.
All right.
Everybody's audio, make sure that this, like after that, don't change the audio settings. Yeah.
All right, Rambai.
ठीक है? चलो.
Okay.
All right, yeah, no problem. Okay, who wants to, so there are only 2 people left. Vinod Bhai and Lata Ben. Lata Ben, you want to go, or Vinod Bhai wants to go? Vinod Bhai, you want to go?
Yeah, if that's okay.
Yeah, of course.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाये तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदाय जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है जय हिंद.
So Vinod Bhai, obviously this is nice for you and is coming nice. The only thing I would suggest is, इसमें see remember वो ड्रम में बीच बीच में होता है ना वो, make sure that you are on that beat of the song. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब, तो उसका वो उसका जो वो सिंबल, वो ड्रम में, अभी यहाँ पे ड्रम में सिंबल है ना, सिंबल में वो जो मारते हैं ना, so make sure that you are just you are perfectly right there. So the symbol sound should match with your वो जो भी word at that time रहता है, okay, but you are almost there, but just make sure that it is exact, if possible. If not, that's fine. I mean, you're already singing pretty nice. Okay. All right, that's it. This is going to be sounding really nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So have a lovely time. In case if I don't talk to you. And you. So यहाँ पर कहाँ रहने वाले हो? कहाँ पे?
Seattle.
Seattle. Ah, okay, awesome, awesome. So 3 hours, behind. So that means, so you'll be here during the program, right? In Seattle. So 2 o'clock here. That means it will be 11 in the morning for you in Seattle. Yeah, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. It will be on 26th Thursday. It will be 11 a.m. in the morning in Seattle. Seattle, I think it's 3 hours. Not what time is in Seattle? One second. Yeah, Seattle is 3 hours away from me. Yeah, so it will be 11 a.m. for you. Okay, all right. Lata Ben, you want to go?
I'll
Which one
try
I can sing?
because still my throat.
Yeah.
Sing the-
Right. Okay. So Lataben, this started sounding really very nice now. Both आपका ताल के साथ और इसके साथ they are all now blended nicely in. So another 2 weeks में तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Was
Just
from bit one, and say Uttar Jale starts from the third bit. So I think I'm okay with the tal.
yeah,
Still,
you're
still have to
but
practice.
whatever is the little bit off, it will start becoming. What I'm saying is, in the next 2 weeks, it will become much more smoother. It is already sounding nice, but it will become even more smoother as you practice daily. And make sure कि आपका जो भी आपका वीक पॉइंट है ना, अगर आपको कुछ से अंतरा वन का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट या समथिंग लाइक दैट जो होगा, उस एरिया को बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना, मतलब जस्ट दैट दोज 2 or 4 lines. Just do it, and then do the full song. Don't do the full song again and again. For specific problem, just do that first. And and that's it.
I know just a higher sur. This one.
Sure.
Because I've got bit of sore throat. It's only that part. Otherwise, I'm okay with this one.
Yeah.
With that, this
Yeah, that part is there in the what do you call Antara one, the first.
yeah, on the
Jyoti
task.
jale deepak, that part. So that part has the high note, and also there is a tiny bit of an alap there. So yeah, वो हो जाएगा आपको मेरे ख्याल से अगले 2 हफ्ते में सब अच्छा होगा.
It's like
Yeah, yeah.
it's very hard.
Yeah. नहीं हो जाएगा आपको. You play pretty well, so it's good. I think that's it. Yes, Jyotiben, your daughter is that your daughter?
I wanted to introduce my daughter.
Yeah, लगा
This
मेरे
is
को.
my daughter.
Hello, hi.
Wants to learn.
हाय कैसे हैं राम
बस
you doing?
बस ठीक है. Your mom is a rock star.
Oh my god it's very hard I won't be able to keep up
she's one of those typical teachers, so उनको impress करना बहुत difficult है. Yeah.
नहीं यार
But what is the good thing is कि जब भी हम so Hindi, right?
yes मुझे
ओके. सो हम 2 बजे, मतलब मेरा यहाँ पर न्यूयॉर्क में न्यू जर्सी में मैं रहता हूँ, तो सो 2 बजे यहाँ स्टार्ट होता है. सो मैं 1:45 को लॉग इन करता हूँ. योर मॉम इज ऑलवेज देयर एट 1:45. जस्ट अमेजिंग एक्चुअली कि that shows the interest and the dedication that she has to learn whatever it is. I mean, it is either a classical, semi-classical song or yeah. So your mom said that you and some of your friends are interested in.
हम सब यहाँ पे एरिजोना में रहते हैं
हाँ.
और हम सीख ही रहे हैं थोड़ा साइड में 1 साल
हाँ.
से सीख रहे हैं
हाँ.
तो हमने सोचा थोड़ी आपसे एडवाइस थोड़ा
Sure.
tips ले ले
Sure.
तो अगर
So
आप
किस किस्म के गाने
अभी तो हम बॉलीवुड मैं नवरात्रि में गाने जाती हूँ कभी कभी
हाँ.
लीड सिंगर नहीं पर कोरस और सपोर्टिंग
Right.
पर मेनली तो हम बॉलीवुड गाते हैं बट
Bollywood.
बहुत क्लासिकल भी नहीं गाते क्योंकि हमारा इतना आगे का एडवांस्ड हम सीखे नहीं हैं अंदर
Yeah,
ये
correct.
सारे गम्मा सब करते हैं वो कहरवा ताल 3 ताल सब सीख रहे हैं ऐसे कर रहे हैं क्लासिकल और हमने सोचा आपसे थोड़ा गा के टिप्स ले ले फीडबैक ले ले कि कहाँ
Yeah,
पे
Bollywood
हम
songs.
improve
Yeah. Bollywood songs we can. Yeah. क्योंकि हर गाने मतलब I mean at least Bollywood songs जो है, the regular songs and semi classical के लिए बेसिकली जो प्रोसेस जो फॉलो करते हैं ना वो बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन वो फॉलो करना चाहिए. वो फॉलो करेंगे, या so we can talk about it. And also there are certain song, for example, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बीता, उस किस्म के गाने हैं, या फिर जब दीप जले, उस किस्म का गाना। सो उसमें जो ट्रिक पोर्शंस होते हैं, या फिर तुझो मेरे सुर में, फॉर एग्जांपल, उसमें धनी ग रे सा रे ग रे नी ध प म प रे ग ध प ग म ग रे धनी ग म। सो उस किस्म के जो 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 गाने हैं, जो नॉर्मल सॉन्ग्स है, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो ट्रिक्स होते हैं, यशोदा सर का, या हाँ। सो सो उस किस्म का एक्चुअली इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू क्रैक दैट, क्योंकि अगर एक दो गाना वैसा क्रैक किया ना, तो उस किस्म के गाने फिर इजी हो जाएंगे।
हाँ, नहीं, सही
या
बात है, आपसे एडवाइस ले लेंगे।
हाँ,
आई
या
थिंक व्हेन यू आर रेडी जस्ट लेट अस नो,
या
कि
श्योर
अगर
श्योर
आप चाहे तो थोड़ा
या
सुन ले, देख ले कहाँ पे हम हैं।
या
विल डू इट एट अ टाइम दैट वर्क्स। हम यूएस में हैं, we're just 2 hours behind you, तो
राइट
आप जब
राइट राइट
चाहे we
राइट
take the time.
okay, and also we,
Okay, thank
so I don't know if you, we also, for example, do a lot of stotras,
हाँ,
लॉट ऑफ दिस, गणेश का
वो भी
स्तोत्र करते हैं, शिव तांडव स्तोत्र किया है हमने, वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, जटाटवी गलत जल प्रवाह पाल, दोज काइंड ऑफ स्तोत्र किया है, या फिर हनुमान चालीसा, क्लासिकल स्टाइल, हनुमान चालीसा, बोथ मंत्र स्टाइल एज वेल एज दिस थिंग। अभी हमने वी जस्ट फिनिश द गणेश पंचरत्नम, वी जस्ट डिड, इन योर मॉम इज डूइंग श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु,
right.
like this Meenakshi here is doing आइगिरी नंदिनी। सो ऐसे बहुत सारे लाइक हमने किया है। सो इफ एनी ऑफ दोज आर इंटरेस्टेड, बिकॉज संस्कृत इज अ डिफरेंट गेम, it is not like a song, because you have to go through a very rigorous, line by line, learning of the song, because accuracy of the song, it is like when जब ऊपर वाले के नाम से प्रे करते हैं, तो उसमें कोई गलती नहीं हो सकता उसमें, it should not happen, because it is like, God is sitting in front of you, and you're describing him, it can't be wrong. There cannot be any wrong word there, because then it defeats the whole purpose of the thing. So उसका जो dedication और उसका जो learning process है, is a very tightly, learn by, it's like a poetry, you learn like a poetry, then you add the tune to it. And Sanskrit, depending upon how comfortable, different people are not, because a lot of these people are, you can't read Sanskrit, so, और English में जो लिखा होता है, वो उसका pronunciation, Sanskrit में बैठता नहीं है. So even if pronunciation is wrong, it's okay, but you have to tell correctly. Pronunciation तो गलत हुआ तो भी चल जाएगा, but word cannot be spelt wrong, Yeah.
नहीं,
So yeah, so I will let you
absolutely.
know, and then we'll do.
Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Yeah, no
Thank you.
problem.
Have a
Nice.
good day.
Yeah, I'm
Thank you,
Ram, by the way.
Rambai. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, yeah, sure. Is there anything else? Anybody? Anything? That's it. 2 more weeks, and you will be rocking.
Yes.
Yeah, good. All right. So have a lovely time, and we will. We'll see you on Monday. Okay? ठीक है? चलो.